Hey guys, we are back for another week of school lunches, and this is week 8. And we're going to start with Damara, and she's going to have her Capri Sun, or these are Kool-Aid jammers this time. And this is the blue raspberry. And then her last cookie dunks. And then I had done, I had showed these little containers in my grocery haul, and I was complaining about I didn't know what to use them for because they were too small. I didn't think a sandwich could fit in there. But I was able to put a Hawaiian roll with ham and her vegan mayonnaise, and then she has some apples and strawberries. So I guess it could work for something small, but not no big sandwich. And then we have, for Damarion, he'll have a Kool-Aid jammer. We have apples and grapes, his goldfish crackers, and then his yogurt, and then cheese, and then I also made him a Hawaiian ham sandwich as well. So their lunch is just simple today, and we will see you guys later. Okay guys, we're back in. Just really quickly, because this is actually Tuesday morning and I need to clean their lunch boxes out and do their lunch for today. But you see that he really only ate a couple bites out of his sandwich, but he ate everything else. And Damara ate her sandwich and all her fruit. And Damarion drank his Capri Sun. But we're about to fix lunch for today. So we'll see you guys in a sec. Okay guys, we're back, and we have took everything out of those other containers, and we just did a quick container today because I need to wash everything else up. And this is just a quick lunch because Tuesday I was not prepared. It's like doing a Monday all over again. But he's just gonna have some strawberries, and then we have the Annie's graham cracker bunnies, it's chocolate chip and just cinnamon, I believe. And then he has his yogurt, and then I did a sausage and pancake shish kebab. So we're gonna try this. It's like having breakfast for lunch or whatever. Sort of like, you know how people do breakfast for dinner. Well, they're gonna have breakfast for lunch. Well, Damarion is. So, and then I have his syrup right here, and then his juice. And I just have the little container. Damara's just gonna have her juice, her strawberries. And then we still hanging on to these. I'm telling you, if you go to Sam's and rack up, my kids only must be snacking on this stuff for lunch because it's 8 weeks now and we still have snacks for lunch, which I guess is a good thing. And then we have strawberries. And then she just has another one of these sandwiches because they love Hawaiian rolls. So she'll probably eat sandwiches until the Hawaiian bread is gone. And then she just put, because she fixed her own lunch, she just has brown sugar ham and the vegan mayo, no cheese. And that is what they're going to have. And we will see you guys later. Okay guys, we're back and I got their lunch pack. Hey guys, I just wanted to come in and say, please excuse my nails. I don't know what is going on. I just need to get that together. But yeah, back to the video. Our Damarion's going to have his Nutri-Grain bites that has apple flavor in there. Then he has strawberry and blueberries. Then he has his little raisins over here. And then his yogurt. And then I tried since he likes kind of like eating breakfast because he really liked what I fixed yesterday. Today I did a French toast cinnamon roll with strawberry jelly in between those to see how he likes these. So that's what he'll be having. And Damara will just have strawberries and blueberries. And then she has, I found another P3 in there, so she will have this. So I could get rid of these. And then she'll have Nutri-Grain bites as well. And then she'll have this Pacific Coolers. That's the flavor that it's in, Capri Sun. And that is what they're having, and we will see you guys later. Okay guys, welcome back. And as you can see, Damarion ate everything. He ate everything but like 3 of these little graham bites. But yep, he did good. Hey guys, welcome back, and it is Thursday. And today, Damarion's gonna have a Paw Patrol ham and cheese brown sugar sandwich. And then I picked up this little treat. It is the Reese's Puff. It says it's made with real Reese's peanut butter, so I'm gonna let him try this out. And then I cut him up some white peaches. I know they look like apples, but they're peaches. Then he has these little mini cheese bites, which he really doesn't like cheese that much, but it came in this pack. And I know that he will eat the almonds and the cranberries, so hopefully he'll eat these. And this is just the Balance Breaks little packet. And here are the cranberries and the almonds. And then I have his yogurt and his juice. And so this one is Damarion's is over there that I used his pack. And then she'll have the juice. And then I just made her also a sandwich, and then white peaches. She will be going over to a friend's house, so I needed to fix her something that was not quite messy in her lunchbox. But this is what they're having for today, and we will see you guys later to see what Damarion ate, because like I said, Damara will not be coming home. So yeah, I'm pretty sure she'll eat this because it's light. So yeah, we'll see you guys later. Hey guys, welcome back, and I'm just gonna run through real quick of what Damarion ate today. So he ate all his peaches. Yet again, he didn't eat the cheese, so I'm just gonna probably call it safe to say that he is not gonna be liking cheese until maybe one day he just decides that he wants to eat the cheese. And then he ate most of the almonds and he ate all the cranberries, and he didn't touch his sandwich. And he ate his yogurt, and he drank all of his drink. And like I said earlier this morning, Damara went to her friend's house because it is fall break starting today for them. So I really don't know what she did with her lunch. I'm pretty sure she ate it though. So we will not be back for Friday, but we will be back next Wednesday because their fall break starts from today until next Tuesday. So we'll see you guys later.